Welcome to the Perpetual Puzzle, finally explained. This is what it looks like when you take it out of the box. It's in a black rectangular frame. There's 5 pieces here. Interestingly, you notice the relationship between the widths of those pieces. I've labeled A, 2A, and 4A. And for this particular example, they're set to just under 1.5 centimeters. Also, the angle theta there in that bottom triangle. There are several values that will work for this. I've used 15 degrees, and the rectangle underneath is also somewhat arbitrary, and that's been set to a height of about 3 centimeters. So as we move into the trick, one thing you'll notice, of course, is the width of this rectangle absolutely cannot change because of piece number 1 there. So when we begin this trick, we show this, and then we will remove the frame, but leave it in plain sight. So this is what it looks like, and now we're going to start moving things around to rebuild a rectangle as we keep moving the pieces. And you can see that I've now created a hole, seemingly with the same size rectangle. So where did this extra space come from, and can we fill it? And yes, of course we can. And there comes the extra piece. Is the frame that's going to fit this? Well, we take that frame that's rested in plain sight and put it around, and it looks like this. And indeed, when you buy this trick, this is exactly what happens. It's quite amazing. But wait, we're not finished. We can move things yet again. Now we've created an even bigger hole, and let me bring in the last piece to complete the rectangle. And there it goes, and that's amazing. We've made a bigger rectangle. We've inserted 2 pieces now. The frame cannot possibly fit, you say. In fact, it does. And this is absolutely mind-blowing if you watch this in various videos that are on the internet. So how does this take place? Well, this is the explanation, and yes, it's all in of the geometry. This is configuration number 1. The width is set to 15 centimeters. It can't change. The height's 10. The area of this is 150 square centimeters. This is configuration 2, where we've added a small square-like piece, and you'll see that the height has in fact gone up. It's gone up by 2.7%. as has the area, but amazingly, the frame still fits. This is the final configuration. This is configuration 3. The width is the same. The height has now gone up to almost 11 centimeters. The area has gone up correspondingly. This is an increase of about 8.5%, and yet the frame still fits. How is this possible? Well, yes, I'm sure you've guessed it. The trick is indeed in the frame, and it is manipulation of the frame that manages to fool the observer. Thank you for watching.